Today we're going to talk about 4 key factors for sizing a servo motor. First up is selecting your motor inertia and knowing it relative to your load inertia. Ideally, your load inertia is no more than 10 times your motor inertia, and the closer you get to 1-to-1, the easier it'll be to tune your speed and position control loops. Next up is knowing your speed and torque profile for your application. For a basic linear application like a conveyor, your torque will be highest at low speeds when it's accelerating and then it'll even out. But for other applications like a CNC machine, you may be applying a load at full speed. Each application requires you to know your operating points for speed and torque. Next up is calculating the RMS torque for your system. The RMS torque is the time-weighted average of the torque across an entire operating cycle. You need to make sure that this RMS torque is below the continuous operating torque of the motor, otherwise the motor will overheat. The fourth step is simply selecting your motor. Now that you've defined your inertia requirements, your speed and torque operating points, and your RMS torque, you can select your motor to make sure that its speed and torque profile and torque ratings fit in with your requirements. Following these 4 steps, you can select a motor that is ideal for your operating conditions while maximizing the performance with inertia matching. To find out more, contact us at KEB America.